This is War Dog. This is my new paintball gun. Very good. This, this is my owner's manual. Gryphon. Gryphon is very good. Very good. Let me take off this little carry thing from TP Man, whatever. Let me take this thing off. Good gun, very quality, very good accuracy, very good 70 auto, very good. A little 200 round hopper, very good. And I got me this little TP-Man thing, TP-Man, very good. This is my new War Dog helmet, my new YouTube channel I just made because it got me a new paintball gun. Very good. A sick ass little gun, very good gun, very ass like gun, very shit, good shit. Get some very good. And I show you how to properly hold this little Paintball gun. You hold it like this. There's the grip. Very good. Shoot sideways. Be gangster. It's whatever you like. It's very durable, and if you drop it, you're pretty much fucked because this is very bad if you drop it. It came with this little Gryphon 60-round American, and I got my CO2 tank right here filled up when you got it. Got a coupon package. Very good. This is my new paintball gun. So there's a Gettysburg War thing for Sahomash. I'm gonna be there. I'll film stuff, and yeah, later on in the video I'll probably shoot this gun and show you how accurate it is. This is War Dog speaking. I like the video, subscribe, everything. War Dog, yeah. Ah yeah, mom, yeah.